Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Benchmade pocket knives that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the 940 Reverse Tonto Benchmade Pocket Knife. It's hard for some to get their head around the 940 from Benchmade. With just a few minor tweaks, you could envision it next to your dinner plate at a nice steakhouse. But make no mistake, this is a serious piece of everyday carry. The 940 may be the most popular Benchmade knife in its Tonto collection owing to its blade of premium CPM S30V stainless steel and a handle fashioned from 6061 T6 aluminum. Open or closed, it's a lightweight beauty, and with the no-nonsense reverse Tonto folding blade, it allows you effortless cutting force. Moving on at number 4, we have the Barrage 583 Tonto Benchmade Pocket Knife. The Barrage 582 is one of the most satisfying EDC knives you'll find. Handsome, perfectly balanced with premium M390 steel in the folding blade and a comfortably molded G10 aluminum handle, it's pretty much exactly what we envision when we think ultimate EDC knife. Owing to its effortless one-handed opening mechanism and that discreet Tonto point, the Barrage is the best Benchmade knife for self-defense, when called for. At number 3, we have the Mini Crooked River 15085-2 Clip Point Benchmade Pocket Knife. A bit of a stylistic departure, the Mini Crooked River 15085-2 with its clip point blade strives to connect with the great pocket knives of the past and does an admirable job. The CPM 30V stainless steel blade stubbornly holds onto its edge while the diamond wood scales provide the type of satisfying feel you only get from wood. The clip point folding blade provides a generous cutting surface and is great for those times you need to penetrate tip first. The lanyard hole is an unexpected but welcome touch and the single-handed opening is smooth as butter. At number 2, we have the Grizzly Ridge 15061 Drop Point Knife. The 15061 Grizzly Ridge Drop Point Knife from Benchmark isn't going to be much good in a fight with a grizzly. Not sure that even a proper hunting knife would help there, but it's perfect for just about everything else. With a 3.5-inch drop point blade and checkered grivery handle core, the Grizzly Ridge lets you take hold and perform any task with confidence. There's a high-end CPM S30V stainless steel blade and ambidextrous axis blade lock, a reversible pocket clip, serrations down the spine of the folding blade and a lanyard hole at the butt of the handle. To top it off, it tips the scales at a trim 3.77 ounces. And finally at number 1, we have the Bushcrafter 162 Fixed Outdoor Survival Knife. If you spend a lot of time out on the trail, you need a solid EDC survival knife. Some people prefer pocket knives because they're arguably easier to carry, but sometimes it's better to carry an old-school fixed blade knife like the Bushcrafter 162. It comes with a superb quality leather sheath with the Bushcrafter logo embossed into it, so you can easily carry it in your pocket or pack. The blade is made from American-made CPM S20V steel, which is known for its excellent edge retention and resistance to corrosion and rust. Plus, it has a beautifully made resin-soaked fiberglass G10 handle that isn't affected by fast-changing climates.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.